Hey guys, Lucas Creations here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a logo for your Roblox game. So let's just get straight into it. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a logo just like this one here. You can copy my tutorial or you can go off and do whatever you need, but just copy it as you go. So first you're going to want to be going to photopea.com. Make a new project, and it's going to be 1000 by 1000 pixels. You can name it whatever you'd like. Let's do 1000 by 1000, create. And then first off, we are going to start by making our background. So we're going to use the gradient tool, which it may be hidden by another tool, but here it is. You're going to grab at the top of your canvas, not on the canvas, but just above it. You're going to grab, hold shift, hold down all the way, and there's your gradient. So next we are going to hit filter, distort, and then you're gonna go to wave. I usually turn the minimum length to 1, the max length to about like 122-ish, 120 something. We're gonna change it to square and repeat edge pixels. We're gonna hit OK on that. And then we're gonna hit filter again, distort, and use polar coordinates. Hit OK. And then we are going to colorize. So we're gonna hit this little half circle in the bottom right, and we are going to hit hue and saturation, and then you're gonna hit colorize, and here's where you can pick your color. So anything you'd like. I'm gonna go with like the light blue that I did in the last one. Just keep it repeated. Now, what we are going to do, since we have our background complete, we're going to work on adding the text. So first, here, to click out of this, you just click this little options thing right here. So now I'm going to add the text, just add a text box. And I'm going to type in portal. Grab my resize and move tool here, make it a little bit bigger, put it right in the center. I also like this font that I'm using, and this is Della Gothic 1 if you guys would like to use that. Next, I'm going to hit warp, and then I'm going to hit style arc. I'm going to turn the bend down to about like, I think I used about like 13 to 15%. I'm gonna hit OK, hit that check mark, and then next we are going to press on our text, and we are going to hit gradient overlay. Click on the gradient overlay, and you are going to hit gradient, and then we are going to pick our colors here. So let's go with that purplish that I had. Add a box by just clicking where that box is. Go into a lighter purple. Go back over here and add that darker purple one more time. Hit OK. And then we're going to hit OK one more time. You want to make sure the angle's at 90% also. And that should be all set. That looks much better. Make sure that your hue and saturation is below your text layers on the right side. So now next I'm going to be adding inner glow. So double click on that text layer. Click inner glow, go into the inner glow settings, make sure it's on color dodge, hit OK. Do the same for your other text. So inner glow, click on the settings, color dodge, OK. You can also make it a little bit bigger. So on this one, I can't see the inner glow quite so well. So I'm going to move my size and my spread just a teensy bit and hit OK. Now we are going to hold shift, highlight over both of these with the right click. Perfect. I'm going to convert it to a smart object. And now I am going to double click onto my smart object that I just created. I'm going to add a stroke. Make sure that stroke is black by clicking on the settings. I'm going to increase the size till it covers everything, just like so. And then I'm going to add another stroke by just hitting this plus sign right here. And then I'm going to go into my second stroke and I'm going to do fill type gradient, linear, align, and I'm going to set it to 90. I'm going to click in here. I'm going to click this box, grab my purple color once I get there. Here we go. So I'm going to grab the purple color, hit OK. Grab this middle color. I'll grab this end color first. And then I'm going to grab this blue that we have down here, hit OK. So once you get that second stroke put in, you're going to increase the size to a little bit bigger than what you have the black stroke at. Perfect. And that is the finished product. You can move everything around and to where you want it. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and you can also add little things like I went through and I snagged a clip art picture. I just brought it right in, got rid of this, zoomed in, I grabbed my magic wand tool, make sure it's rasterized, got rid of the white space, and then I Control D to deselect, and I just fit this right in there. And there you go. So there's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.